Hi everybody, Mike with Enviroscape LA. So I'm here in the middle of the installation of a basalt fountain. Now if you want to follow me and check out what we've done so far, we put the underlayment, the pond liner, we excavated, put the pond liner down, we put some blocks underneath, and then we have this valve box which is housing the OASE pump. And the OASE pump is actually, it's gonna last for years and years, but this is gonna get filled up with rock to stabilize it. And then this basalt rock, it's nice because if we turn the volume up, which we leave it with a flow control, it'll actually just cover everything and be rushing and have sound. But we want it to feed the pollinators or give them a drink of water. So we leave it halfway, that way they can actually land on the ledges. And that's it. Just want to show you, we'll do a follow-up video with a light and show you what it looks like. Just magical. Anyway, Mike with Enviroscape LA signing off. When you think pollinator fountains, think Enviroscape LA.